Welcome, here I've got Honor 20 Lite and I'm gonna show you how to record the slow motion video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to more. Here we have access to other modes of this camera, and one of this is the slow motion mode, so let's pick it. Here we are. Now we can start recording this kind of video by tapping on this big button at the center. We can also change the speed of our slow motion by tapping on this button here, and we can pick between speed 4 or 16. And also we have some extra tool, and that appears here. By just one tap we can turn off or turn on the motion detection, so it should help us automatically save the video when it detects the motion. Let me show you how it works by starting recording. And this is my object. As you can see, it detects the motion, so it saves the video now. And we have to wait. And now to see the video, let's move to the left to this button. When we pick it, we get quick access to the gallery, and now we can play the slow motion video by tapping on the center. And this is how it looks like. I think it's pretty slow. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.